Class reunions are anniversaries, intertwined with the celebratory and reflective moments. What is our definition of a legacy alumnus or alumna? What is the distinction of a golden son or daughter? Last year, our legacy alumni were representatives of their 70th, 65th, and 60th class reunions from the years of 1950, 1955, and 1960, respectively. Their red robes symbolized the bloodline that binds us together. The revered color of gold embodies one of the richest natural elements of the earth and signifies a 50-year milestone. The members of the class of 1970 strengthen our existence locally, nationally, and globally. Our legacy and golden sons and daughters are alumni who earned their degrees from our parent institutions of Atlanta University and Clark College. They provided the firm foundation of our existence. Throughout each of their jubilant occasions, they are Clark Atlanta University, our cherished members of our dear alma mater.